I don't come for the inspection. People who carry come, they don't choose their plot and they don't go office, they go transfer their money. You where your money sit there your account. Wait till you see the way for. Just quickly call me. You see my shoe now. I don't hold on for hand. Now inside bush I come. But this bush na million bush. Don't say some bush na useless bush. Or some bush na million full inside. So come make we go make I show you. You dey see all this one? Eh? Make I show you the one where they pay for last week. You see am? We don't fence and we don't do the work finish. You see this plot? See this particular plot? Eh? They don't pay for it. 30 million last week. They don't pay for it. Time no dey wait for you. Time no dey wait for you. Follow me, oh, go. Yes, sir. All these ones now. You see them? These ones they don't buy them. You see them? They don't pay for them. They don't pay for them. Money day. Anybody will tell you say money no day Nigeria? Eh? In fact, slap the person. Tell the person say, make him go back, go sleep, wake up. Money day this country. Now, Mama Good News tell you, money day. What they do? Hey, you dey see the plots them? They don't share them already. You dey see them? They don't share them. You see this one don't be marketing own now. You see them? Now, Mercy Homes and Properties now get all this land where they here. Directly opposite Gulf Estate. You dey see Gulf Estate? Come close so that you see very well. You see on the day road, see where we just park. Just park car for here. You see this particular one? They don't buy them now. You don't see key. You see German lock. Now this one here they call German lock. The one that don't buy them 30 million. Pack them. They don't buy them. What they say? Hey, Mercy Homes and Properties. So now you get this one. Now we bring them for you, so that you will come and get your own plot for just 30 million. 30 million. You get the one where I pick up small things for you. You see this sand right there here now, and they use a fence everywhere. Don't fence and finish. You don't need fencing again. Make I show you Gulf Estate so that you go understand what I talk about. You don't see road where we go like this. You don't see them. Are you seeing Gulf Estate? Can you see it very well? This is Gulf Estate. You don't see say now this place now they divide this land and this Gulf Estate. And Gulf Estate do that for you. So this land now will be 30 million is cheap. Before this year end, if you come here, Peter, you say the land is now 50 million naira, and money no go drop inside because still they increase every day. You know they come down. You dey hear me so? So they wait for you. Sharply call me. The number they here 09034296519. Make you collect your plot. As it dey hot, because like this now, everywhere choke.